guys, it's Q, and I'm so happy to announce we've reached 500 subscribers, you guys. Like, it's amazing. I couldn't be happier today. So thank you so much for all the love and support, for all the comments and the sharing. It's such a blessing. Like, I just thank you guys so much. And I want to make sure that I continue to provide videos that are helpful to you and that some things that you guys are interested in. So please leave comments below on some videos that you might want to see. I do have coming up more videos on how to start a business, how to start a business online, and basically how to work from home, because that was my biggest challenge, and I want to share with people how I actually did it, because I'm sure a lot of people want to do that, especially now. So again, thank you guys for watching, and it's just been amazing. I love you guys. Take care.
We get the 500 subscribers.